Hi, this is Mr. Malay with your video review for the quiz on Tuesday in United States history. Alrighty, you need to know a few things. First of all, you need to know what a progressive is. You need to know what the definition of prohibition is. You know who Carrie Nation is. You need to know what the 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th Amendments do. Alright, those are all going to be on there. You need to know who McKinley was. You need to know what is the definition of a trust, and Roosevelt, what he did with those trusts. Needed to know that Roosevelt founded the United States Forest Service. You need to know what the Monroe Doctrine did. You need to know what Latin America is. You need to know what a bully pulpit is. You need to know about the Square Deal. What does that mean? You need to know who Teddy Roosevelt's Secretary of War was. You need to know what suffrage means. You need to know what kinds of jobs a woman could get in the early 1900s. You need to know why women were so in favor of prohibition. You need to know what walk softly and carry a big stick means. You know why he said that. You need to know what the FTC did. You need to know that Woodrow Wilson was a flaming racist. You need to make sure that you need to know what the Bull Moose Party is. You need to be able to spell Bull Moose. All right, it's two words: Bullmoose. You can do it. You need to know what a tariff is. You need to be able to tell me about the Spanish-American War. You need to know what effect it had on the United States, Latin American relations. You need to know about how we had to help Panama break away from Colombia. You need to know why we chose the route that we did. You need to know what the problems were with the canal, the mosquitoes and the loose volcanic soil that was terrible to dig in. You need to know how much it cut off the distance between New York and San Francisco. You need to know how we got the route that we got, how many workers died, just about. You don't have to be down to the exact number. You need to know about how the treaty worked, like what did we get out of it. We controlled the canal about 10 miles around it. You need to know what routes we thought about doing besides the one that we ended up using. You need to know who George Goethals is. He invented the lock system that the canals use. And if you know all of those things, you will be fine for the quiz tomorrow. When you're doing this review, or sorry, not tomorrow, on Tuesday. When you're doing this review, please remember that you might not have everything until we do the worksheet on Monday. So don't worry if you don't have something in your notes yet.